Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this spicy sausage and fish casserole. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. I've cleaned my filleted fish in some lemon water and I'll rest them on some kitchen paper to mop up the excess water. Once my fish is fairly dry, I'll sprinkle each piece with some salt on both sides. I'll drizzle both sides with oil and rub the oil all over. And next I'll sprinkle both sides generously with some smoked paprika. And again both sides will be sprinkled with some chili flakes, and I'll set aside for now. So next I'm going to peel one large sweet potato and dice into even sized chunks. Rinsed off my potatoes, covered in salted water, and I'll boil till soft. While my potatoes are cooking, I'll chop a celery stick into small cubes. And I'll peel and dice 2 small carrots. And I'll do the same with 1 medium-sized onion. I've now drained my cooked sweet potatoes. So I've begun chopping up 6 spicy sausages. The skin falls away really easily. I've heated some oil in a pan and I'm going to sweat off the chopped vegetables. Not looking to colour the vegetables, I just want them nice and soft. This took me about 20 minutes. And next I'll add 4 cloves of garlic. I'll allow the garlic to cook for a couple of minutes before adding my spicy sausages. I'll keep the sausages and vegetables moving for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll add 200 grams of chopped tomatoes. Then in goes 200 millilitres of vegetable stock. I've rinsed and drained a 400 gram tin of cannellini beans. After allowing to simmer for 10 minutes, I'll adjust the seasoning. I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and I'll add salt and pepper if needed. I'll stir in the sweet potatoes from earlier and I'll preheat the oven to 180 Celsius. Now that I've seasoned to my liking, I'll take the casserole off the heat. And now I'll load all of the spicy sausage casserole into my oven-proof dish. And then I'll lay my seasoned fish on top. And I'll pop this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And it's ready. The fish is cooked all the way through, juicy and spicy. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe, tasty, spicy sausage fish casserole. Please like, comment and subscribe and share with anyone you think might enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.